Are you already recording?
It is recording.
Okay.
I'm just coughing. Hi, I'm Kelly Cundiff, and I teach pre-calculus, both honors and AP.
I'm Brett Ortman. I teach AP Statistics, Statistics, and Computer Science. And we've been married almost 3 years.
How did we meet? At work. Yes, we used to eat lunch together. Okay, and this is the whiteboard challenge. Are you ready?
Sure.
Okay. Here's your first question. What is my favorite snack?
Now we've got to spell right. Does it have to be something you can eat currently?
Well, snack. All right, are you ready? We gotta flip the boards.
Okay.
Okay.
Now second
No,
guessing.
ready. Okay, go. Oh, that's my favorite dessert. You didn't show it. She's got it. Cinnamon roll is my favorite food, but I'm gluten-free. Cheese and crackers is my favorite snack.
That's why I just said depending on if you...
Oh, can currently eat it, yeah. Okay. Your turn to flip. Okay, ask the question.
What is my favorite book?
Oh. I know it.
You do?
I know, I've read it. I can't think of the name of it though. Okay, all right. Go ahead, flip it. I can't think of the name of it, but it's The Count of Monte Cristo. Okay, yeah, I did. I got there. Not the movie, just the book. Yeah.
Not the movie.
Okay. Ah, I got it, and I didn't read it. I did think of it. Okay. What is my least favorite chore?
Now we have the same answer to this one.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Cutting chicken. Oh, I complain every time I cut the raw
I
chicken.
wouldn't know that's your least favorite because I just do it.
Well, but you saved my life because you moved in and started doing it for me. Okay, your turn.
What is my dream vacation?
Oh, I'm going to spell this wrong.
That would know what my dream vacation is.
I'm so spelling this wrong. It's okay, I teach math. Okay, ready? A beach trip. Oh, I said the Maldives. Maldives? Maldives. Yeah, okay. All right. What is my worst habit? He's like, there's so many. How can I pick one?
Worst habit.
He could probably list about 10 right now. Okay, ready? Burping at the dinner table. Okay, I said picking my fingernails because you stop me every time I do.
Yes.
My second choice was going to be making the sound while you're driving.
Well, then, yeah, that's a problem.
Okay.
What is my biggest pet peeve? We're gonna get this one.
Burping at the dinner table. And because I do it, my kids do it, and it drives them crazy. What is something that instantly cheers me up?
Don't know. Better than what I was gonna say.
Ready? A hug. Wine. I said wine. But I do love your hugs, babe.
I know. Oh, you're in the middle of doing something.
Yeah, let me get a hug now. This is a good time.
What is something I could talk about for hours?
Depends on the day. Last night it was the history of music and who's most
It was-
popular. Upcoming projects. Yeah, I said space and math. Even statistics. You can get really passionate when statistics come up. All right, so we didn't get many right, but